Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with the essentials. Identify whether the locked account is a Microsoft account or a local account, because the recovery path changes. If it's a Microsoft account, open another device and go to the Microsoft password reset page to begin verification. You'll need access to the recovery email or phone. If you have a password reset USB or an alternate administrator account on the PC, prepare those now so you can proceed without the old password. Once you've chosen a path, follow the specific recovery flow. For a Microsoft account, request a security code, enter it, and create a new password. Make it strong and unique. For a local account with a reset disk, plug it in and follow the password reset wizard. This writes a new credential for that account. If an alternate administrator exists on the PC, sign in with that admin. Then open user accounts and change the locked user's password directly. This avoids needing the old password entirely. After setting a new password, sign in and immediately confirm or update recovery options so future resets are smoother. If none of the official recovery methods work, back up important files using safe mode or external boot media, then perform a Windows reset or clean install as a last resort. That restores access but may remove apps. If you run into errors, make sure the recovery email or phone is current and the device has internet connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.